let's review this outfit. I got these from Adidas, and I'm just gonna try it out and see if it fits. So I'm gonna start with, maybe let's start with the pink one. I got this in medium, so let's see. When I was ordering for these things, I ended up ordering for I ordered like a whole pants, like 2 pieces of a pant, like 2 pants, so of it to be one. Sometimes it happens. So when it came, I had to do a return, and hopefully, I hope my lip gloss doesn't stain this sweatshirt. Okay. No, look at that. My genius. Yeah, I wore it over my t-shirt. I don't see why I should take it off. I got this in medium, but it looks really big. This looks really big. Well, it's all good, you know. It looks big for a medium, don't you think so? It has its fleece inside. It's very comfortable, very comfortable. And I like how, anywho, and it's really comfortable. I like it. Mild the color is, because it's not really bright. It's a baby pink, so yeah. My pink lovers, where are you guys? Where are my pink lovers? Well, I'm hoping I don't stain this, so let's take it. So what I'm going to do right now is just take off the tags. Does this have a tag? It had no tag. Oh, it did. I need scissors. Try and pick it up slowly. Oh, look at that. I'm going to fold it back because that's what I do. I do that a lot. I think I'll just fold it this way. You know? That way. Look at that. I should be paid for this. Adidas should hire me to fold the outfits for them. What do you think? It was worth a try. I ripped this off already, so I'm just in a hurry. Yesterday when I started taking this video, my phone didn't record. Had a low battery. No, not low battery. My memory was full. Yeah, I know. It is charged. My memory is always full, so I got this in large. Did I? Where's the tag? Yeah, large. So let's try this on. It's a nice fit, don't you think so? It's very comfortable. It's not fleece, but it has some roughness to it, but it's comfortable. It's not uncomfortable on my skin. So yeah, I like the zipper. Yeah, I like the pocket zipper because it has this zip over it on the pockets. That way, you know, sometimes when you sit and then you get up and all the stuff in your pocket just come out and you end up losing stuff. So I think I like that this is there. So loving this. I just loving it, you know. Try the sweatshirt. It's a hoodie. This looks really big. It looks big. It's a hoodie. Well, we'll never know until we try, right? So let's try. Okay, let's get this going. Looks big, don't you think so? I got this in large too as well. has a pocket, two pocket, and there's a zipper in there. There's an inner pocket with a zipper on top on both sides. Huh. Like I said, you don't want to sit somewhere or go out and then end up losing stuff. So a pocket with a zipper is actually, it's actually a win-win for me. So yeah, this is how it looks like. That is the hood from the back, and that's it from the front. And it has something written out here that says sport. It says sportswear. So got my two-piece. I was looking for a particular color, but I didn't find it. I was like, let me try this, and it still works for me. Sometimes odd colors actually does it. So, and I like the sleeve here. It's different. The sleeves looks like a lantern design, but it's really big. And I think I'll just manage it. You know, I barely wear big stuff on me, but if this is gonna look like that, I think it's not a bad idea. It doesn't hurt to change your style a bit. So this really works. It really works. It really works. I'm excited because I don't know. I'm just excited because it came and I liked it. Although it looks big, but I'm not a baby anymore, so if this looks big, it's not a big deal. Although I would have preferred it to be very tight, but I mean, I might outgrow those tight outfits, and this might serve the purpose. I was trying to fold this. Let's try folding this. Wish me luck. This goes, and that comes. Yeah, I like to fold both sleeves. Put this over like that. And there you have it. I'm not going to put it in the bag because I'm done. So I did my return today. I ordered on my shopping list. I was supposed to just order one of these pants, and I ended up ordering two. So I did a return today, and hopefully said it's going to take like 14 business days for the refund to be processed. So hopefully I get my money back. Of course, they're going to get my money back. And this is the last but not the least. I think I might as well take this off. Yeah, I love it. Not too bright, not too dark, not dull. It still works, so that is okay. Now let's put this on. I don't know, but this looks really big. I don't like big stuff on me. Yeah, it's really big. I bought it. I thought it was going to be really tight, so I ended up buying. This is medium, and it looks really big. This is medium, and it's. Ugh, I really don't know anymore. I really don't know. And this is for both male and female. This is how it looks like. Maybe it's not big, maybe it's still okay. But what I'm going to do is if I'm gonna wear it, I'll just, you know, and then fold it. That's me. I like to do that. Do that a lot. So it can still be big on me. It can still be big, but I'm going to make it look cute. See, look at that. Imagine I had just done this. Look. it says, what does it say? Adidas skateboard, right? So, and that's it for my haul today. It's just a mini haul from Adidas. And from me to your screen. But I'm glad it's not. This looks really cute for me. It does. Yeah. Oh, the time is still. Yeah, I'll take them off I'll take them off after my video. Yeah. Trying to try some magic. I tried it. I turned it inside out. I don't think I'm gonna fold this, but maybe I should. Because it looks really crumpled and I don't like crumpled outfit. So, yeah. It's really crumpled. I don't know why it does look like that. Maybe when they were folding it or packing them, they ran into a whole lot of trouble doing that. Yeah, so maybe that's why. Maybe that's why. So there you go. I told you that you pay me. Pay me. Oh, and this shirt, beautiful shirt you see on me is from Helly Hansen. It was designed in Norway. They have nice jackets too as well, like winter jackets. It's so nice. I usually like the long jacket for winter because it really saves you a lot. I have one jacket from Helly Hansen. I didn't do a haul on that, but today it's just about Adidas. Let's try this. This is from Nike. It's a slim fit, so I got it. I didn't want the case where you put it on, because it's a slim fit. You put it on and then it's really tight on you, and I didn't know there's enough space in there. It's breathable space. So protect my lips. It's not tight. It's just normal. I just wish it would have been more tighter. But hey, it's my fault. I got it in large. Can you see? It's really not my size. It's really bigger. I don't like big stuff on me, but looks like I had to just make do with what I have right now. So just gonna take it like that. Let's do some exercises. I got this basically to work out with. So hopefully some stomach exercise. You're almost there. Keep going. Yeah, make sure your elbow touch your knee. Oh yeah, that is it. Keep going. Keep going. So this is basically for working out. So yeah, I'm glad I got this. So let's take this off. Protect my lip as usual. And I just love food stuff. That's me. Yeah, right, but let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'm gonna see you again in my cheers.